Pepe, you have the platform. Pepe, you have the platform. Without being interrupted by Pastor, medically, does being gay have any adverse effects?
Every sexual contact, if you expose yourself, if you risk yourself, be it heterosexual or homosexual, there will definitely be a risk that you've exposed yourself to. It's not limited to homosexuals. That cuts across. He's been claiming, making claims and allegations about HIV/AIDS spreading, how it's mostly among homosexuals. It's not true.
It's a gay disease. Get over it.
It's not true, Semper. You know that.
Pastor, relax. Pastor, relax.
It's not true.
Yes.
It's just, actually, it's your ignorance. It's limited. I'm not going to talk about statistics.
You don't know.
I know.
When you don't have data,
I am not going to go
quiet.
back and forth.
But when we have data, let us talk.
Now, the final question. The final question. Pepe, how do you want society to perceive you?
As a human being, as a person who is part of this society,
but society has rejected you.
It has not rejected me. It is the propaganda of the likes of Semper.
What is your clan?
My family loves me as I am.
What is your clan?
Actually, even right now,
what is your
they are
tribe?
supporting
Would your parents...
I choose not to tell you, Semper.
Onzima, would your parents... Onzima, no, Pastor, hold it, please. Pastor, rather, Pepe.
I cannot believe you put me on a show with a hooligan.
Pepe, would your parents attend a wedding where you are with a person of the same sex?
A person I love, a person who cares about me, yes.
How
as
did your
I am
parents
here,
feel?
let me tell you, Simon, as I am here, my family supports me. Supports me, so I am here.
Are they supporting a disorder?
I have a name.
What is the tribe?
I refuse to tell you.
Okay, Pastor, this anti-gay activism.
No, me, I'm not an anti-gay. Me, I'm anti-sodomy. Nagano kulimbibwa. Gay is being happy. Me, I'm gay. I'm happy. But this is the confusion. They say to be a sodomite is to be happy. No, me, I'm anti-sodomy. Zenwanyisa bisiyaga. Sirwanyisa bantu basanyufu.
And I'm anti-sexual violence.
Which is talking about.
There, when it comes to violence, we're on the same page.
Why don't you fight for heteros as well?
What do you mean?
Heterosexuals.
What do you mean? Fight for heterosexuals.
What
do you mean fighting for heterosexuals?
For their rights. Yeah, for their rights.
They are so. I am a human rights defender.
I'm
not limited.
Sodomy defender.
You are an activist for LGBTI. Lesbians, gays, bisexuals, transgender, and intersexuals.
Let me tell you something.
Where's the H?
Human rights.